Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Mr. Brokanic here, and today's project we're gonna be changing out the shocks for the back, air shocks for the back, and drop shocks for the front. Alright, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, like videos, hit the notification button. Alright, thank you. Check it out. It's my Nissan 2003. So you guys can see I lowered the front a little bit more. No more gap from fender to tires. I like the drop height, rides pretty good. And now we just gotta change out the shocks to drop shocks. And the back, it still has a little gap between the fender and the tire, so I'm gonna try to get rid of that by installing air shocks and still have the functionality of a truck, like loading wood and stuff at Home Depot, since I like to go there a lot. So yeah, it'll be nice to have a lowered truck and still be able to load stuff in the back, and also for the ride quality. Okay guys, what you want to do first is jack up the truck. I don't have my tripod today, my tripod broke, so I'm gonna have probably holding the phone the whole time. It's gonna be shaky, so don't mind the video. Chock the front wheels, safety first guys, on both sides. And then we're gonna be using 2 jack stands. You want to jack up the truck in the middle of the pumpkin, the rear end. Okay guys, you gotta jack it up in the center of the axle. Okay, set your jack stands on the chassis, both sides. Once that's done, lower the jack. Let it sit on the jack stands. This is a good height for me to work under, so I'm good with this. I'm gonna lower it down. Now you wanna leave the hydraulic jack on the pumpkin in the middle of the axle, so that way if we need to adjust up or down, we can do so for when we're taking off the shocks. Alright guys, grab your 17mm wrench and break this bad boy loose. Grab the sledgehammer, slam it down, make sure you don't cross thread it. You put one hand here and slam it right here. Probably put WD-40 to loosen it up. One right here and one up there, and do the same thing. Alright? Alright guys, I broke it loose. Still kinda hard. Now grab your ratchet. It's much more easier. And loosen it. The hardest part is up there. So once we get that done, everything else is easy. This side, right here is easy to reach. Same thing on this side. Okay guys, both bolts are out. Now what you want to do is grab your pry bar. I don't have one, so I'm using a large screwdriver, a thick one, so hopefully this will work. Okay, it's working. Alright. It's kind of hard to do with just one hand. Go guys, almost out. There we go. Alright, I just gotta take out the top. And I'm also gonna take out these bump stops right here later on. Okay guys, here's a better angle. So I use this to break it, loosen it up, bottom and top. Now I use the wrench, socket wrench, to loosen it up all the way. See how easy that is? Alright. Yeah. Don't forget to apply WD-40, guys, so you can loosen up the bolt easily. Comes right off. There you go, guys. Stock shocks. 2003, 17-year-old truck, 2020 now. It's time for replacement, so I'm gonna replace it with air shocks. Okay guys, these are the shocks we're gonna be installing today. These right here are for the rear, Monroe's air shocks, and the front will be Beltec Nitro Drop 2. It's a lowered shock, so the ride should be good. As you can see, these are the old shocks. See the difference? That's all the way extended out, so still give us the lowered look, but still have the functionality of a pickup truck. Alright guys, grab one. Either one is okay, we'll fit it on both sides. Make sure this side right here is the downside. This one up here, the thicker one, is for the top, so it's gonna look like this. And then make sure your nozzle right here, your airline, will be facing to the rear. Pretty easy to do. Alright, look at the old washer and bolt. Grab your size 17 socket wrench, start tightening it up. There it is, guys, check it out. We're gonna do the same on the other side. Okay guys, as you can see, both of it are on. We just gotta hook up the airline now. These are the hardware that came with the air shocks. First, what you want to do is grab one of these O-rings right here, what it came with. I'm starting on the passenger side. Okay, so you take that valve and put it right here. I mean the O-ring. Stick it in right here. And then put it in the valve. Put the O-ring in. Tighten this up. Just do a hand tight. And what you want to do now is run the line all the way across to the other side. You guys do the same thing on the other side. Don't cut the line yet. Put it in. Put the O-ring in. See, just like that. And put it in the valve. Alright. You still got this whole line right here. What you want to do is run it to where you want it. I'm gonna run mine right here in the side of the truck. I'm gonna be putting air right here. So there's already a hole, so I'll probably make the hole bigger for the valve. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So what you're gonna do is this is the T right here. This one's gonna come out right here. So it's gonna be inside here. Alright, and then this is where the passenger side line is gonna go through. And this is gonna be the driver's side right here. So what I'm gonna do first is secure the line. I didn't cut it yet. I'm gonna secure it, and then when it's the right measurement, That's when I'm gonna cut the line to put it in here. The T. Alright? Alright. Alright guys, I cut the line into two. I also got about a foot of a line. Now we're gonna connect the T right here. Again, do the same thing. Get the water. Nozzle. What you wanna do is get this foot long line right here. Again, you do the same thing. Nozzle. O-ring. Get up right here on the end of the key. Here. Right. Grab a nozzle. Put it in. Grab an O-ring. Put it in right here. Alright guys, this is how your line should look. From the T to the valve right here where you're gonna put air. Okay, I drilled a hole right here. I put primer just so it doesn't rust. And so we're gonna put the valve. So it's gonna look like this. So all you're gonna be seeing is that valve sticking up. Alright? And then we'll tuck away all these lines that's loose. Alright. Next one would be the front. Alright, we're gonna be installing these Nitro 2 drop shocks. Alright. Okay guys, for the front, changing the shocks right here, changing it to the drop shocks. You're gonna need a size 17 for this bolt right here, for the bottom bolt right here, and then size 14 open wrench. Oops. Then you get the vice grip the top so you can loosen it. Oh shit. Like that. Grip it there and then loosen it up. Alright, easy install. Alright. Alright guys, bolts are out. All you gotta do is press down the shock. It'll go down. See it? Then all you do is pick it out. Here's the old one. Then grab the new one, put it in. Alright. Here's the drop shocks we're gonna be putting in. Same thing. Compress it down and then put it in. There you go. There you go. Right there. Alright. Put the bushing in. Washer on top. And put the nut. Easy as that. Alright. Put the size 17 in the bottom. Good to go. Alright guys, you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Hope this channel help you on your project. Comment down below if you need any more additional question. I'll be more than happy to assist you. Wait till the end of the video and I'll show you guys the final drop of the truck. Alright, thank you guys. Okay guys, this is all the way slammed, no air on the tire. I'm happy with the drop. The gap on the tire to the fender, not that much, so I'm good. Do a walk around. I like how the front sits, sitting low. Pretty much even drop now. Now we're gonna test out the air shock, see how high it goes. All right. I'm gonna try out my mini compressor right here, see if it'll pick it up. All right. Okay guys, my mini compressor gave up on me, so I think this is the max. Much higher, so that way when I go Home Depot I can load, you know, woods or whatever, and it won't be that bouncy. It's not bad. The bounce is not bad. So yeah,